Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 6, Dhyana Yoga, Meditation and Self-Mastery, Original Teachings, Script Content. Krishna teaches discipline of mind and meditation, control of thoughts, moderation in lifestyle, and detachment from desires. A true yogi sees God in all beings and lives with compassion. The mind is restless and difficult to control, but can be tamed with practice and detachment. Modern world meaning, mental health. Meditation reduces stress, anxiety, and emotional reactivity. Focus in a distracted world helps deal with social media overload, addictions, and overthinking. Balance encourages healthy routines, sleep, work, food, and rest. Compassion builds empathy in relationships, workplaces, and society. Chapter 7, Jnana Vijnana Yoga, Knowledge and Realization, Original Teachings, Script Content. Krishna explains that all creation comes from his material and spiritual energies. True knowledge is recognizing God as the source of everything. 4 types of devotees approach God: the distressed, curious, knowledge seekers, and the wise. The wise devotee who knows God is everything is closest to him. Modern world meaning understanding reality encourages seeing life beyond materialism. Connection to something higher helps reduce loneliness and ego. Different spiritual motivations. Everyone grows at their own pace. There's no one right path. Unity encourages harmony by seeing the interconnectedness of life. Chapter 8, Akshara Brahma Yoga, the Eternal Supreme. Original Teachings, Script Content. Krishna explains Brahman, the eternal, Atman, the soul, and Karma. Remembering God at the moment of death leads to liberation. Material world is temporary. Spiritual reality is eternal. The universe goes through cycles of creation and destruction. Modern world meaning life, purpose. Encourages living meaningfully, not just chasing temporary goals. Presence at the end of life suggests that one's final state of mind matters, symbolic of consistent mindset training. Letting go of material attachment reduces anxiety and the fear of loss. Understanding change. Everything evolves. Relationships, careers, technology, so we should adapt with awareness. Chapter 9, Raja Vidya, Raja Guhya Yoga, the Royal Secret. Original Teachings, Script Content. Krishna reveals the easiest path: bhakti, devotion. God loves all beings without condition. Even those who have made mistakes can rise through devotion. Krishna pervades the entire universe yet remains separate. Modern world meaning unconditional love teaches acceptance, forgiveness, and emotional healing. Inclusivity. No one is too fallen or too late to begin a spiritual journey. Ease of devotion. You don't need rituals or perfection, just sincerity. God in the everyday encourages mindfulness, seeing beauty and divinity in nature, relationships, work, and moments. Chapter 10, Vibhuti Yoga, the Divine Glories, Original Teachings, Script Content. Krishna describes his divine manifestations in powerful, beautiful, and glorious things. Everything exceptional, wisdom, courage, leadership, nature's beauty is a spark of his energy. By recognizing God's glories, devotion deepens. Modern world meaning, appreciation, inspires gratitude for nature, talent, creativity, and human achievements. Seeing divinity everywhere helps develop respect for all life and cultures. Inspired living encourages discovering your strengths as part of a divine purpose. Leadership and excellence emphasizes humility and service even while being powerful or successful. Modern message from this chapter: control your mind, don't let it control you. Seek balance in everything. Stay humble even when successful. See your power as a divine gift. Live with compassion and awareness. Recognize the temporary nature of the world and focus on inner growth. Choose devotion, sincerity, and goodness over ego and fear.